Hit the like my video. You hit the like on my video. You hit the like, then hit the show. You hit the like on my video. Then if you go into somebody's channel, show some love and hit the like on the video. So just to show me love to the people there to show me love up to today's show. Hit the like, the video. Can you hit the like on the video? You hit the like, the video. Hit the like on the people video. Then it could be a up or down, but they're on the video, and they want to go and see them grow. They hit the like on the video to show some love, but when we up on the video, you hit the like, the video. Or when you hit the like up for show, you hit the like, the video. Can you do it in the upper show? So if you hit the like, it will help them out, and you could go and help them grow. Send to keep watching other people's video, to making sure you hit the like for show. You coming in to hit the like, so you do your thing, and you do it so they can go. Just to show some love to the people now, they end to hit the like on video. You hit the like, the video. So stand there, can you hit the like for show? So hit the like, the video. Then can you hit the like just for show? You hit the like, the video. Hit the like on the video. Then hit the like, the video. Then hit the like on the video. So when I'm doing everything and I do today, that all you have to do is hit the like. Now hit the like before myself, and I feel alright. So when you go and hit the like, the some people watch the whole video for you, then they don't even hit the like. So now I'm doing some for you, so remember those, so you can go and hit that like. You hit the like, the video. So can you hit the like on my show? You hit the like, the video. So when we can go and help them grow. They hit the like, the video. Saying that I can go and see some more. They hit the like, the video. Or when I see you up on my show. Saying that when I hit the like, I will show some love, because I want to go and see you shine. So when I'm over here to hit the like, I see the end, you know that I do not mind. So when I come to you, though, I will tell you, though, that I hit the like a video. So if you're going to somebody's channel over there, so can you hit the like the video? I hit the like, the video. Then can you hit the like the video? Then hit the like, the video. Then can you hit the like the video? Then hit the like, the video. Can you hit the like the video? Then hit the like, the video. Then can you hit the like the video? I want to see you grow, so I would like So when I hit that video, I wanna say that I see. I wanna go and see you grow. I hit the like, the video, so I can go and see some more. I hit the like, the video, 'cause I wanna go and see you grow. I hit the like, the video. Can you hit the like, the video? I hit the like, the video. Can you hit the like, the video? Can you hit the video? Hit the like on my video. Then hit the like, the on